Now friends, by now we've already covered Constitution of India, Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act, Transport of Animal Rules, Animal Birth Control Rules. Now I'll come to the relevant portions of the Indian Penal Code, which provides for some provisions with regard to animal rights and animal cruelty. Friends, section 428 and section 429 of the Indian Penal Code provide for provisions for animal rights and against animal cruelty. Let us discuss them one by one. Section 428 of the Indian Penal Code provides for mischief by killing or maiming an animal of the value of 10 rupees. It provides, I read, whoever commits mischief by killing, poisoning, maiming or rendering useless any animal or animals of the value 10 rupees or upwards shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 2 years, or with fine, or with both. So with that said, if you poison, render useless or kill or maim an animal of the value 10 rupees and more, you can be prosecuted under section 428 of Indian Penal Code, and you will go to jail for that purpose for up to 2 years. I now move to section 429, which reads, mischief by killing or maiming cattle, etc. of any value or any animal of the value of 50 rupees. Whoever commits mischief by killing, poisoning, maiming or rendering useless any elephant, camel, horse, mule, buffalo, bull, cow or ox, whatever may be the value thereof, or any other animal of the value 50 rupees or upwards, shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 5 years, or with fine, or with both. So with that said, friends, as you can see under section 429, animals such as elephants, if they are killed, maimed or rendered useless, camels if they are killed, maimed or rendered useless, horse, mule, buffalo, bull, cow or ox, irrespective of their value, whether their value is 0 or 100 rupees or 5,000, doesn't matter. If you kill or you render useless or you maim any of these animals, irrespective of their value, you can be punished with imprisonment up to 5 years. You will go to jail for 5 years. And similarly, any other animal of the value 50 rupees and more, you will be punished with jail for 5 years. The only problem, friends, and this was a problem that I encountered in our All India Stray Dogs case and our Stray Dogs culling case in Kerala in the Supreme Court, was that, as you can find, I am repeating again, 429 talks of elephants, camel, horse, mule, buffalo, bull, cow or ox of any value, 0 to 1 lakh or any. And then talks of any animal of value 50 rupees or more. The missing animal here, friends, is a dog, and I am referring to the street dog. This is the problem we are trying to address and change. The existing law, unfortunately, people who kill street dogs or poison them or maim them or render them useless, we are not able to convict them under 429 of Indian Penal Code, because 429 qualifies any animal of value 50 rupees or more. So while a pet dog may have a value of 50 rupees more, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 rupees, and you can prosecute if someone kills your pet dog under 429 of Indian Penal Code and send the person to jail for 5 years. A street dog has no such value, unfortunately, that you can put. You don't have a receipt against a street dog that the value of the street dog is 50 rupees or 100 rupees or 5,000 rupees. And hence all these abusers and killers of street dogs get away, and they are not covered under 429, unfortunately. So with that, friends, and this of course needs to change. There is already a petition filed by Angel Trust regarding this, and we are also supporting that petition by way of being in leaders. And so that's that. So with that said, we cover Indian Penal Code as regards provisions regarding animals.